Mr. English here again. Now let's go into a real example of how the CI method is written, how you use the CI method to clarify any topic you have. This topic, how great is Shakespeare? This is a picture of Shakespeare here. Probably one of the most well-known authors in the world. The first step, state. You state your idea simply. Shakespeare is one of the best authors of all time. That's it. Don't overthink this first step. Be nice and simple and concise, which means don't be too wordy. You don't need more than one sentence usually. Get to the point right away. Let's scroll down. We're going to go to step number 2. This is where we elaborate. Elaborate just means tell me more stuff. Tell me more things about it. We start with the transition in other words. In other words, Shakespeare's works are extremely important to the entire human race. This just adds a little info on the first sentence. He's one of the best authors of all time. His works are extremely important. We then go to our third step, exemplify. This is where we give 3 examples. The first example starts with, for example. For example, Romeo and Juliet has become an iconic example of the perfect love story. The mixture of joy and tragedy always makes a strong impression on readers. You'll see here that we have 2 sentences. Let's go to the next example. Here we start with additionally. We're adding an example on. Additionally. Additionally, Hamlet is known around the world for its amazing depth and dramatic display of human emotion. The scene with the phrase, to be or not to be, is likely the most famous line in all of English literature. Let's go to our next example. We use the transition furthermore. Okay, we have example, we add something, we go further with our third example. This is where we'll talk about another of Shakespeare's most famous works. Furthermore, Macbeth is still being remade into modern, big-budget Hollywood movies. This shows the impact the story and these characters have on people centuries after they were first created. Okay, so I've given a lot of clarity and clarification of my first idea, that Shakespeare is the best author, one of the best. I've elaborated, I've given 3 examples. Now I become artistic when I illustrate. In this case, I've chosen a simile because I use the word like. Shakespeare is like a shooting star in the sky as his brilliance shines for all to see. I'm trying to make an image appear in the reader's mind. Shooting star, I can see that in my mind. His brilliance shines for all to see. I'm trying to be poetic. I'm trying to illustrate or paint a picture with words. You can also add a quote on if you like. It's not necessary to add a quote, but a quote can sometimes be very effective. In this case, I say, according to author William Hazlitt, quote, if we wish to know the force of human genius, we should read Shakespeare. You'll see this is a way to take one little idea and expand it into a lot of very clear, very excellent English writing. This sheet here will then give you your turn to practice. You can choose any of these ideas you like, and you'll see the formula is given here for you to follow. Okay? Multiple topics to choose from. I will include this as a free download. Thank you very much. Bye.